Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to hide your active status on Instagram. So first open Instagram and go to your profile, and from there tap the three lines in the top right corner of your screen and open settings and activity. Then on the search bar, look for activity status. Then tap on show activity status and toggle off the show activity status option. And once it's disabled, other people won't be able to see when you're currently active or when you were recently active. But you need to keep in mind that turning this setting off also means you won't be able to see other people's activity status. So that was how to hide your Instagram activity status. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.